Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alikum. My name is Muhammad Shahid and today I will discuss second dialogue of HSK4 Shang book. मेरा नाम मोहम्मद शाहिद है और आज मैं HSK4 शांग बुक का दूसरा डायलॉग आपके साथ शेयर करूँगा कि उसमें क्या कहा गया है. So let's just proceed towards the dialogue and we can see that two people are basically talking in this dialogue with each other. One is, we have already discussed that Wang Jing, a female, एक लड़की है, and here she is, the girl, and Li Lao Shi, Teacher Li. Teacher Li could be the name of a male or a female. So they're discussing, but what are they talking about? जो डायलॉग मैं आपके सामने पेश कर रहा हूँ, इस डायलॉग में दो लोग एक दूसरे के साथ बातें कर रहे हैं. एक का नाम है वांग चिंग जो कि एक लड़की है, और ली जो उस्ताद है, हम उसको उस्ताद कंसिडर करते हैं, बीइंग अ मेल. So let's just see the first the caption or the topic. Okay, so what is this? It is Wang Jing 跟李老师聊他要结婚的事情. Okay, so you can see I have already told you that this is Wang Jing, and the word, this word right here, this word, it means gun means with. I'll try to write each and every opinion of each and every character in this dialogue so you can easily understand. Gan Li Lao Shi, and this one I have discussed this with you that it is liao, to chat. So it's a voice chat. They're chatting with each other. Ta means this one. Ta, you already know this. It means she. Ta she. Yao jie huan. This one. This. Okay. So jie huan. Jie huan means marriage. Jie huan means marriage. उर्दू में हम इसे कहते हैं शादी. ठीक है, शादी के साथ. गन मीन्स के साथ, और चैट बातें करना, और शी वो लड़की. ठीक है. सो शिचिंग, दिस वर्ड शिचिंग means matter, or you can say affair. Okay, so we can just say that मामले के बारे में बात हो रही है. कौन सा मामला? जेहुआन. So the whole meaning of this topic is that Wang Jing is chatting with teacher Li about the matter of her marriage. So this is the whole translation of this topic. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो वांग जिंग है वो अपने उस्ताद के साथ अपनी शादी के बारे में बात कर रही है. So let's just proceed and get to know that what are they talking about. Okay, so Wang Jing here says that 李老师，我下个月5号就要结婚了。我下个月5号就要结婚了. So she says that I will get married on the 5th of next month, or I am going to get married on the 5th of the next month. So I'll try to write these words. You already know this word, 老师. I have written this, that 老师 means teacher, ustad. 下个月 means 下个, this word 下个月,下个月 means next month. So she says that अगले महीने की 5 तारीख को मेरी शादी है. वांगजिंग टीचर ली से कह रही है कि अगले महीने की 5 तारीख को मेरी शादी है. ये the word right here, this how means date. तारीख, in Urdu we can say तारीख. Okay, how 就要结婚了, it's going to get married on the 5th of next month. So upon which Li Lao Shi has to say something, and he's basically saying that 你是在开玩笑吧？你们不是才认识一个月 Okay, upon which teacher Li says that 你是在开玩笑吧? I'll write over here again. This one, the underlined word is 开玩笑. 开玩笑 means joking or kidding. मजाक करना, मजाक करना. 开玩笑吧，你是在开玩笑吧? So what does teacher Lee says that are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This whole sentence means, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? 你是在开玩笑吧? Okay, so and next he says that 你们不是才认识一个月？不是才 means only. 才 means only. This word. This means 开玩笑. Only. So this says that didn't you know each other for a month? Didn't. This sentence. Didn't you two or both know each other for just or only a month? क्या तुम दोनों सिर्फ एक महीने से एक दूसरे को नहीं जानते हो? I mean, the teacher Lee is shocked or a bit surprised that they, I mean like Wang Jing and her fiancé or her boyfriend who are getting married with each other. They're just knowing each other for a month, but now they're deciding to get married with each other. क्या तुम दोनों सिर्फ एक महीने से एक दूसरे को क्या तुम दोनों सिर्फ एक महीने से एक दूसरे को नहीं जानते हो? अभी तो एक महीना ही हुआ है तुम दोनों के एक दूसरे को जाने हुए, एंड नाउ यू आर डिसाइडिंग टू गेट मैरिड टू ईच अदर. सो isn't this a bit surprising? So upon this she replies that this word, if I underline it, swearan, although. In Urdu we say agarche. Agarche 我们认识的时间不长，我们认识的时间不长. This word 认识, you already know it, but I will write the pinyin of it. 认识, to know, जानना. 虽然 although 我们认识的时间 this word, so you know this already. 时间 time, वक्त. अगरचे हम दोनों एक दूसरे को लंबे अरसे से नहीं जानते. 虽然我们认识的时间不长 although we haven't known each other for a long time. So 但我从来没这么快乐过。但我从来没这么快乐过。But I have never been so happy. This word. But I have never been so happy. But I have never been so happy. She is referring to the current state of her. That she is really happy right now, and it was not the case before. She did not feel this happy before, the way she is feeling right now. The way she feels to get married to the person who she likes next on the 5th of the next month, she is really happy. You can see the meaning of song lai is always or all along. ठीक है. सो वांगचिंग कहती है कि अगरचे हम दोनों एक दूसरे को इतने लंबे अरसे से नहीं जानते, लेकिन फिर भी जितनी अभी मैं खुश हूँ इतना खुश मैं पहले कभी नहीं थी. इसका मतलब ये है कि इस वक्त या इस लम्हे जितनी खुशी मुझे मुयस्सर है, ऐसी खुशी मुझे पहले कभी नहीं मिली. This quote is basically referring to some past state 快乐国 means that 没这么快乐过 I have never been this happy. I have never been so happy. It's 这么 means so. इतनी मैं इतनी खुश पहले नहीं थी. ठीक है, इतनी खुश पहले नहीं थी. Okay, now 李老师两个人在一起一起 this one 两个人在一起最好能有共同的兴趣和爱好 When two people are together, it's best to have common interests and hobbies. 两个人 this 两个人 two people 在一起 when they're together 在一起 दो लोग 在一起 together एक साथ when two people are together 最好能有共同的兴趣和爱好共同 meaning is here common, shared, okay, and 兴趣 this word 兴趣 so 兴趣 means interests have common interests and hobbies. So 爱好 this word hobby and here it means hobbies. Okay, so दो लोग जब आपस में रहते हो तो ये 最好 means 最好 this word 最好 means best. It is best. सबसे अच्छा है 最好能有共同的兴趣 इनके जो है दिलचस्पियाँ किसी चीज़ में हो तो वो shared हो 共同的 shared मतलब वो एक जैसे हो उनकी हॉबीज़ जो है उनकी आदत और उनकी जो है जो काम वो करते हो तो वो शेयरिंग मतलब दोनों जो है वो उसको शेयर करते हो मतलब उनकी इंटरेस्ट जो है वो एक जैसे हो और आप उनको ये भी कह सकते हैं कि जो उनकी जो आदत है वो बेसिकली एक जैसे हो ठीक है तो वांगजिंग कहती है वांगजिंग रिप्लाइज 我们有很多共同的爱好 this 我们 我们 we 我们 we have 我们有 means have है हम ठीक है वो मानिए वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ कॉमन हॉबीज़ हमारे बहुत सारे आदात जो है वो कॉमन है मतलब हम दोनों में एक जैसे हैं वो मन यो हंतुओ गोंगथोंग द आहाओ हम दोनों में बहुत सारे आदात जो है वो एक जैसे हैं ठीक है जिंग छांग जिंग छांग जिंग छांग frequently 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 经常一起打球打球 this tacho is stands for by default it stands for this by default it stands for basketball बास्केटबॉल के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है tacho so we use it for that tacho 唱歌唱歌唱歌 song गाना ठीक है so 我们有很多共同的爱好经常一起打球唱歌做菜做菜 cooking खाना पकाना 做菜 cooking जो है उसका मतलब है खाना पकाना so you already know this so we share a lot of common hobbies and we frequently play with each other we play basketball with each other we sing song together and we cook together so upon which Li Laoshi has to say the final words of the dialogue and what he says 看来 this 看来 it seems ऐसा दिखाई देता है 你真的找到适合 here you can see fit suitable fit matching mood matching person so 你真的找到 this word 找到 to find तलाश करना 找到适合 ऐसा शख्स जिसके साथ आपका मिजाज मिलता हो आपका मिजाज जिसके साथ मिलता हो ऐसे शख्स को ढूंढ लिया आपने अच्छा वमन यो हंतो गोंगथोंग दा आय हाओ हम दोनों की बहुत सारी आदत एक दूसरे के साथ मिलते हैं जिंग छांग ई ची ताछो हम एक दूसरे के साथ बास्केटबॉल खेलते हैं छांग गाना गाते हैं एक साथ चौचाय और खाना पकाते हैं एक साथ नीचे वाली लाइन में कहते हैं खान लाए ऐसा लगता है ली लाउशर कहता है टीचर ली कहता है खान लाए ऐसा लगता है निजन द जाओ तुम्हें मिला तुमने तलाश किया शेखा ऐसा शख्स जो कि तुम्हारे मिजाज के साथ उसका मिजाज मिलता है. Niederan, 适合你的人了，适合你的人了. You have really found someone. You have really found someone who is right for you. Who's right for you. Okay, and the last line is really very lovely line. I wish you happiness. I wish you happiness. 祝你们幸福. 幸福 is here. So the last line says, in the last line, Li Lao Shi wishes Wang Jing happiness in her life. So he says, 祝你们幸福，祝你们幸福。I wish you happiness. I wish you happiness. मैं आपकी खुशियों की दुआ करती हूँ, या खुशियों की जो है वो ख्वाहिश रखती हूँ, या मैं तमन्ना रखती हूँ. मैं आपकी खुशियों की तमन्ना रखती हूँ. Wish you, I wish you happiness. So this was all for today. I hope you would have liked this lecture. This was a bit lengthy, but I have tried to cover these words. As you can see, 开玩笑 means to be kidding, and 从来 all along, 最好 had, better, or best, 共同 common, एक जैसे, 适合 suitable, मिजाज जिसका मिलता हो, 幸福 happiness. I wish you happiness in the life that you are going to have ahead. So this was all for today, and keep supporting, keep subscribing, and we are going to meet in different other lectures, which will be very fruitful for you guys. And keep me in your prayers, and share this video with your friend, and stay happy and blessed. Allah Hafiz.